Welcome to Dolbel Reserve. Okay, so today's video we're gonna go inside one of the parks here in Taradale, which is located in Napier City, and this one is the Dolbel Reserve. So this is one of the scenic locations here at Napier. If you want to have this forest type look, if you're a photographer like me, then you would really appreciate the place. There's a lot of maple trees, and especially since it's already autumn, as you can see, the leaves are starting to fall and it's kinda going to the orange color, which is very beautiful. Hello! So we are here inside Dolbel Reserve, and this is one of the beautiful places that I've been here. First time to be here with my family, and I hope you like the scenery that we are currently seeing right now. So this is just a small part within the area, but you will really appreciate the place if you love greeneries and you love to feel that Canada feel or Korea feel, since this one has the park that is surrounded with maple trees. So especially right now, it's autumn, so the trees are starting to be orange and the other maple trees are turning red and they're falling. So if you love to take pictures, Instagram photos, and say hi, Katie. If you love to take photos, then you will really appreciate this park. So that's it for today's video. I hope you love this place, and if you did, please leave a like and a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing to my channel. Click that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon to keep you updated every time I upload a new video like this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next travel destination. Bye!